Do we really need another 3D modeling tool? Let's talk about Shapr3D. Okay, so let's talk about Shapr3D. So first off, what is it? Well, it is a 3D modeling tool for mechanical design, although it's a little bit, it's actually a fair bit different from your traditional offerings. It is mobile first, so what that means is today it runs on an iPad Pro, and you actually use an Apple Pen with it and multi-touch gestures. But it has an extremely short learning curve because it uses basically a very different interface. It shows you the simple capabilities first and kind of exposes advanced stuff through multi-touch gestures, which is a fairly efficient way to kind of get up to speed and actually be efficient with the tool itself. The other thing is that it uses the Siemens stack. Okay, so what that means is it uses Parasolids modeling kernel, it uses hoops for data exchange, it uses D-cubed for constraint management, for like sketches, and even with the direct modeling capabilities that it has. So that it has this stable platform. It is an app that you download onto your iPad Pro. So, you know, a lot of this kind of sounds familiar. Hey, it's a very, very easy to use CAD tool. We've kind of heard this before. The thing that I guess surprised me and makes me think this might be a little bit different is their development and deployment capabilities. So they really focused on creating a polished UI with this. And the way they do that is they build a prototype weekly. On a weekly basis, they have a new prototype. They have 10 live tests of that prototype per week. And for any new capabilities that they want to put into the solution, into Shapr3D, they have to have 5 successful live user tests before those features go into the app. So this kind of forces them to make sure it is a usable UI, that it is intuitive and natural in terms of its interaction. And then actually they capture a lot of that, a lot of those tests through a large automated test suite. And they use continuous integration, which is another development approach that supports that as well. So, you know, this is really meant to be 3D modeling first. They don't have documentation capabilities in terms of creating drawings and that type of thing out there right now. They're going to be adding that in the near future as well. But, you know, in the world where, you know, 3D modeling kind of going to a model-based definition, where the 3D model is kind of used as the central source of truth, a tool like this and making it accessible to a wide variety of users, there's a lot of benefits to that. So it's something where if you have CAD users split out from engineers, this could be used by engineers fairly quickly and easily. If you have folks that are on your shop floor that maybe are designing jigs and fixtures and that type of thing, this is a tool that you can find more accessible than maybe a full-blown CAD application. So there's all sorts of people like that in the company that may need to model simple things in 3D, want to get up to speed very quickly, but just as importantly, they're probably not going to be able to invest continuous time over the long term in learning and maintaining their knowledge with a CAD application. So lots of different use cases might be applicable for you. You should check it out. It's in the App Store for Apple right now. That's it. Take care and talk soon.